Hi, I'm Kevin MacArthur, Senior Solution Architect at Quorum Software. Quorum Software is a global leader in energy software. Our solutions power growth and profitability for energy businesses by connecting people, workflows, and systems with decision-ready data.
In our industry, it's common that operations teams and accountants find themselves juggling multiple disconnected systems to manage day-to-day work. Tracking volume movements across multiple shippers, commodities, and pipelines creates enormous complexity and leaves teams buried in manual processes with little time for strategic decision-making. In this demo video, we'll demonstrate how eONE helps pipeline operators streamline complex midstream operations, from field activities through back-office processes, while improving efficiency, control, and real-time visibility. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of eONE's core capabilities and the value it delivers, making it easier for you to make an informed decision. With eONE, our customers simplify their entire operations and accounting workflow, from building and managing physical infrastructure and contracts through to invoice generation, all within a single unified system. This eliminates manual handoffs between disconnected tools, reducing inefficiencies and improving overall process continuity. And because eONE supports both refined products and NGL liquids, it delivers complete operational coverage without the added complexity of fragmented systems. Now let me walk you through 3 key ways eONE takes you from volumes to value, starting with infrastructure, moving through contracts and transactions, and finishing with automated invoice generation. The foundation of eONE is its infrastructure modeling capability. Here we're building out the physical flow of volume, exactly as it exists in the field. For each infrastructure flow, we define the commodity, the activity type, how volume flows between facilities, and the quantity source. In this example, we have multiple receipt pipelines, Birch, Swift Midstream, and ATW, each flowing into their respective stations, which then feed into the Swift pipeline and on to delivery points like Archer Terminal. Why does this matter? Because when your system mirrors your physical operations, every downstream process builds on a reliable, accurate foundation. eONE removes the guesswork, ensuring your back-office data stays fully aligned with what's happening in the field. Once your infrastructure is set up, creating a contract in eONE is straightforward. We define the shipper, commodities, effective date ranges, and link directly to the infrastructure flows that we just built. Pricing, such as processing or transportation fees, gathering charges, or tariff rates, are applied right on the contract. What makes eONE powerful here is flexibility. You can apply pricing anywhere within the infrastructure and group multiple receipts and delivery points onto a single contract. In our example, the ExxonMobil shipper contract covers 5 separate infrastructure flows across multiple stations and terminals, all managed in one place. The benefit to your team is no more manually matching contracts to movements. eONE does the heavy lifting, so your commercial and accounting teams are always working from the same data. With infrastructure and contracts in place, applying volumes becomes effortless. Volumes can flow in automatically from your measurement system, or you can enter them manually when needed. From there, nominations can be used to easily split volumes across multiple shippers. Once the volume is captured, eONE takes over, automatically generating all related costs and journal entries, removing manual work and reducing the chance of error. From there, invoice generation is equally seamless. eONE pulls directly from the transaction cost to produce clean, itemized invoices, broken down by commodity, facility, and rate, ready for your counterparties. This end-to-end automation from volume input to financial output is exactly what sets eONE apart. Your operations and accounting teams stay aligned, and your billing cycle closes faster and more accurately. To continue to learn more on how eONE can streamline your midstream operations, reach out to your local sales or business development representative. Thank you for watching. I look forward to partnering on your business goals, and please contact us for more information.